Welcome to Starfish. Today we explore Aksai-Chin conflict. Why Aksai-Chin is not just a geographical battleground but a significant focal point in the geopolitical landscape of India and revealing the historical tensions that continue to shape relationships between India and China. The Aksai-Chin conflict represents a significant and complex territorial dispute between India and China with profound implications for their bilateral relations. The historical context of this dispute, coupled with ongoing military tensions, economic ramifications and shifts in public sentiment underscores its importance in the current geopolitical landscape. Aksai-Chin is a high-altitude region claimed by India as part of its union territory of Ladakh while China regards it as part of the Xinjiang-Uyghur Autonomous Region and the Tibet Autonomous Region. The dispute dates back to historical cartographic ambiguities and conflicting colonial legacies which left the borders poorly defined. The Sino-Indian War of 1962 marked a pivotal moment in this conflict, resulting in China establishing control over Aksai-Chin after defeating Indian forces. Since then the area has been a point of contention, particularly due to its strategic location that facilitates crucial transportation links across the region. Tensions along the line of actual control escalated dramatically in 2020, culminating in deadly confrontations. The fatal clash in the Galwan Valley on June 15 resulted in at least 20 Indian soldiers' deaths, marking the first fatalities in decades. This incident underscored the volatility of the region as charges of boundary transgressions fueled the animosity between the two nations. Both countries have engaged in military build-ups and substantial troop movements, creating an environment ripe for conflict. Reports indicated that despite ongoing talks, tensions remained high with troops engaged in regular confrontations in disputed areas. The Aksai-Chin dispute not only has military dimensions but also economic ramifications. The growing tension has prompted India to reassess its economic ties with China, particularly in light of the trade imbalance favoring China. Nationalist sentiments in India have led to calls for boycotting Chinese products and the government has increased scrutiny on Chinese investments. This scrutiny extends to critical sectors such as telecommunications, where restrictions on Chinese companies are increasingly recognized as necessary. Public perception of China in India has become increasingly negative, shaped by recent clashes and the global COVID-19 pandemic's origins. This growing animosity has implications for domestic politics, where there is rising pressure on the Indian government to take a firm stance against perceived Chinese aggression. Political opposition is leveraging nationalistic sentiments to critique the government's response, leading to a potential re-evaluation of India's foreign policy strategies in response to China's assertiveness. The Aksai-Chin conflict encapsulates broader sociopolitical dynamics that may shape future India-China relations. The potential for realignment and a shift towards strategic partnerships with nations like the United States, Japan, and Australia has become apparent as India seeks to counterbalance China's rising influence in the region. However, the crisis has also exposed the limitations of India's diplomatic engagements. While calls for cooperation continue in multilateral forums such as BRICS and the Shanghai Cooperation Organization, the Aksai-Chin conflict exemplifies a multifaceted territorial dispute deeply woven into the fabric of India-China relations. With military, economic, and political dimensions at play, the conflict remains a significant factor in regional stability. Both nations face the challenge of navigating this complex landscape, balancing national interests against the backdrop of historical grievances and contemporary geopolitical shifts. As the situation evolves, the prospects for peace and cooperation will depend heavily on leadership decisions, public sentiment, and the ability to manage security dilemmas along the contested border. The Aksai-Chin conflict is emblematic of the enduring complexities in India-China relations, demanding careful management to avert escalation and foster stability in the region. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the Aksai-Chin conflict. We hope this video has shed light on the historical complexities and ongoing tensions that continue to influence India-China relations. If you found this content informative, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more insights on international conflicts and geopolitical issues. Feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments below. What are your views on the future of Aksai-Chin?